Hey guys, Potato Tech here, and today I'm gonna unbox these moving head DMX lights. And sorry if I sound weird, I'm kind of sick right now, but I just got these two moving heads off of eBay. They were 120 for two, so let's see what they're all about. This is very hard to do with a camera. And don't cut toward yourself. But kind of doing this with one hand. These are the ones with the GOBOs. And it has 8 GOBOs in it. There's different type of dim modes. So they're 3-pin DMX. And it's 9 or 11 channels. So that's all you get with the manual. Oh god. So this is all plastic, except obviously the heatsink. This is also this is metal, or whatever they use, aluminum. And it comes with a mount and just a power cable and 2 screws. That's all it comes with. So these things seem pretty cool. So they have menu, up, down, enter, to set the channel. Oh, it has a mic in it. Oh, that's cool. I didn't know I had that. I obviously did not do a lot of research on these. But they seem pretty cool. You can have a microphone on it. So there's the DMX in and out, and the power, and there's a fan. So these are 540 degrees. I don't know if it's bad if I'm turning these motors. Probably is. I wonder if you can see in there. No clue. I have to buy an enclosure for this, like a fishbowl or something. So, to put them outside, they're not waterproof. So if any of you have these, please give me a recommendation. That's pretty cheap, please. I have no job. So I'm gonna open this one and I'll come back. This is all they come with for $120. So, seem pretty nice. Just gotta make XLR to Cat 5 or 6 or whatever. So I have this. There's nothing on the end of it. I'm gonna use that. Yeah, I'm gonna use this to go in, and this will go to my Renard. I'm gonna have to stick a resistor in there, 100 ohms, just for a terminator. But I wanted to use Vixen to program these, but Vixen doesn't have DMX in it, like a preview, so I didn't want to deal with that. And so I'm gonna sequence all my songs in Vixen 3, and then when I'm done with that, I'm gonna export it as an FSEQ, and then I'm gonna put it into X-Lights, and then I'm gonna be able to program this and this. For the same price, you can get just a spot with no gobos, but why would you do that when you can get gobos for the same price and it does more? Well, these were listed as 130, but I made an offer with the guy, and he gave them to me at 120. I saw before Christmas he put a sale on, and they were like 90 bucks. So here's the brand. I don't think it is a brand, it's just like a slap-on name. So you may be able to find these on AliExpress for cheaper. Maybe, I don't know, because they're a wholesale. I just found out that this has a mic on it also. So I guess in its random mode, it goes to the beat of the music or something, hopefully. Alright, I plugged them both in, and they're in auto mode right now, which they just do whatever the hell they want. So here's some of the patterns it does. As you see, it can do half patterns also. So yeah, and I put it in sound mode for a little, but you literally have to put the speaker right on the microphone. Unless you got a loudspeaker. Like my speaker, I was using my phone speaker and I guess it didn't pick that up. And the sensitivity on it was all the way up. I had to stomp on the floor for it to pick it up. Unless you put the speaker right on the mic. So if you got big bass speakers, like surround sound, probably that would work. So they're pretty cool. Just the fan is pretty loud. And they are 30 watts, and they're not that bad for 30 watts. They work pretty good. Instructions are completely like useless, except for the channels. You just gotta, you gotta play around with it. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna give them channels when I get them connected to the computer, and then play around with them in X-Lights probably another day. Yeah, that's it.